Right, so you can breathe again. You're a diamond in the rough, girl, and I'm here to make it better.
Hey everyone, so we're going to first start off by parting our hair, and I'm doing a side part. After making sure my part is nice, I'm going to part all the way in the middle. I like to do my hair in sections. Then I'm going to go in with the edge booster and a Natural Nays hair cream, and I am going to start off by putting the hair cream on my hair first and then following it up with the edge booster hair gel. After laying my hair, I'm going to go in with the edge booster, and I am going to use that for my hair first. So I'm going to lay everything down. I just feel like it just gives me that beautiful sleekage type of ponytail that I really look for in a ponytail. Then next, I am going to braid my hair all the way down, then add a rubber band at the end. Then next, we are going to slay these edges, honey. Yes. I did leave the scarf on my head for an hour just to make sure my hair was laid. And then also make sure your braid in the back is straight and it's not under the hair scarf. So next we're going to take our bundle, take the scarf off, get our needle and thread. I'm going to make a knot at the bottom, then cut the extra string. And the knot is just to make sure that the string doesn't go all throughout the bundle, so the bundle can basically stay in our hair. It's basically keeping a place, if that makes sense. But anyways, so we're going to take the bundle and make sure the thread goes through the needle, and thread goes through the bundle, the track, I should say. And after that, I'm just going to spin the hair around, and then once the bottom is secured, next, no more needle and thread. We're just going to spin that around, okay? I hope this makes sense. I hope the visual is better than me explaining. I'm sorry if I'm not explaining well, but after that, we're going to take the bottom of the bundle and then just make our little twirl or whatever, make it look like it's our hair. Then next, we're just going to wait until it dry, and then we're going to fluff the hair out in the next clip like this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.